Are you putting this in your interview?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, who are you? What's your name?
My name is Bundu Tamani.
And what do you do?
I'm a storyteller, a folk musician,
Yeah.
and also a little bit of a drummer.
And why are you here today?
Today is an exhibition for it's Lebu's exhibition.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're here to give support.
Excellent. And tell me, Buntu, how long have you been coming to Unity?
You see, Unity is home.
Yeah.
Unity is home. We do our stuff here at Unity in terms of our gigs and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Corporate events, and the advice as well.
So how many years? It's been many years now, eh?
It's
5,
been
6, something like that. 7?
Yeah, about 7 years.
Yeah.
About 7 years since the times of the big guy. You won't know if you're in the States.
Rian, since the times of Rian.
The times of Rian. Even before that.
Yeah. So tell me quickly, for people who don't know us, why do you use Unity? Why do you come here as a resource?
Okay. One, Unity is a place where most of the artists they get to see the direction, because Unity deals with the paintings, deals with artists who are involved in the performing arts as well. But at the same time, it is kind of a home for the artists. Yes, that's why Unity is important to us, all of us. I'm from Lukabandi anyway. Lukabandi Production is a stop and drum, storytelling, drumming, and poetry.
Excellent. That's lukabantu.co.za.
.za, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you, Buntu. Thank you.
You're welcome, Zayn.
Sure.